Good morning everyone. Welcome to SPS online classes. Today I will discuss, basically we will discuss the first chapter of biology from class 9. That first chapter is improvement of food resources. The first chapter is that improvements in food resources. Food resources, improvement of food resources. First topic is that improvement of food resources. Improvement, that means changing or development. And the development here is substitute. We can say that improvement, that means food. So basically food here, food, that means all the living organisms in this world, that means on the earth surface जो भी living organisms है, they required food. As we know that entire the earth, as we know that, suppose that this is earth. As we know that earth look like an orange shape. Earth look like an orange shape, similar to orange की तरह. That means orange की तरह. As we know that 3 parts of the earth is completely covered with water. 3 parts of the earth. That means suppose that the 3 parts of the earth is completely covered with water. Suppose that this is the earth. This is earth. And 3 parts. Suppose that 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. The 3 parts of the earth is completely covered with water. 3 parts of the earth completely. 3 part completely filled with water. That means earth का जो है 70%, that means कि 3 parts completely filled with water. That means ये जो पूरा का पूरा पोर्शन है किससे भरा हुआ है? पानी से भरा हुआ है. That means this part is completely filled with water. That means the water is covered from the 3 sides of the earth, and one part of the earth is the land surface. That means land surface. And the land surface, as you are at a land surface. Land surface and 3 part of the earth is completely covered with water. That means maybe water is covered the earth in 3 sides. That is ऐसे बोल सकते हैं land surface. तो ये land surface पे क्या है? That is ये है मेरा क्या? Land surface. That means इसी land surface पे पूरा का पूरा wall. That means कि out of 200 या फिर 150, 200 और प्लस 200 प्लस जो भी कंट्रीज है इन द वर्ल्ड. दैट मींस इस अर्थ पे जो भी कंट्रीज एग्जिस्ट करता है वो कहां पे है? ओनली फॉर 1/4 पे. दैट मींस एक पार्ट पे अर्थ का है. ऑल द कंट्रीज आर एग्जिस्टिंग ओनली दिस पोर्शन ऑफ द अर्थ. एज वी नो दैट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम दैट मींस बिफोर 100 years the population of the world is less, but now the population of the world is too large. That means कि अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो इंडिया is the 7th largest country in the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world, and India is the 2nd largest country in case of population in the world. That means India जो है वो दुनिया का सबसे 7वां सबसे बड़ा कंट्री, एंड इन केस ऑफ पॉपुलेशन मतलब जनसंख्या की दृष्टि से दैट मींस इंडिया इज द 2nd लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड. एज वी नो दैट कि द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया इज इंडियाज पॉपुलेशन नियर अबाउट 1.25 करोड़ अप्रोक्सीमेटली, मे बी मोर. अब एज वी नो दैट कि टोटल लैंड सरफेस ऑफ इंडिया इज 33 लाख किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. दैट मींस और कंप्लीटली टोटल एरिया जो है सपोज दैट कि दिस इज द मैप ऑफ, सपोज दैट दिस इज द मैप. एक सिंपली समझने के लिए ड्रॉ करते हैं. सपोज दैट मैप, दिस इज द मैप ऑफ द अर्थ, और कंप्लीटली सपोज पूरा एंटायर एरिया ऑफ द, दैट मींस India's जो पूरा का पूरा entire area है, especially land surface, they are completely not usable. That means कि पूरा का पूरा यूज के लायक नहीं है, और इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं, कृषि कार्य that means एग्रीकल्चर नहीं हो सकती है, जिसमें क्या है, एग्रीकल्चर पॉसिबल नहीं है, एग्रीकल्चर पॉसिबल नहीं है। एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट इतना बड़ा पॉपुलेशन को चलाने के लिए सपोज क्या है, सपोज करो कि इंडिया का पॉपुलेशन 1.25 करोड़ अप्रोक्सीमेटली मे बी मोर, इतना सारा पॉपुलेशन को पालने के लिए दैट मींस कंप्लीटली क्या है कि इंडिया जो है, मेरा जो इकोनॉमिकल कंडीशन है, स्पेशली इंडिया क्या हुआ एग्रीकल्चरल बेस्ड है। दैट मींस कि इंडिया का जो इनकम आता है, दैट मींस जो नेशनल इनकम आता है वो सबसे ज्यादा कैसे आता है, एग्रीकल्चर से आता है। दैट मींस एग्रीकल्चर ही ऐसा सोर्स है जिससे यहाँ के लोग दैट मींस कि इंडिया का जो पॉपुलेशन दे कैन सर्वाइव। तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस conditions we have to do something more. That means we have to find the substitute, or we have to develop our food habits. We have to develop our food habits, or we have to find the substitute. That means irrigation, that means एग्रीकल्चर पे प्रेशर, एग्रीकल्चर का जो प्रेशर उसको रिड्यूस करने के लिए, एग्रीकल्चर पे जो प्रेशर है उसको रिड्यूस करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, एक सब्स्टिट्यूट यूज करना पड़ेगा। दैट मींस सब्स्टिट्यूट, दैट मींस एज अ फूड, सपोज दैट कि ग्रेन्स एज अ rice, wheat and other things, vegetables and all these things, fruits वगैरह वगैरह, these are the substances that can be used as a food. So you have to do something different, we have to do something, we have to find another way to fulfill the requirement of foods। तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, एग्रीकल्चर से प्रेशर को हटाना पड़ेगा। एग्रीकल्चर से क्या करना पड़ेगा, उस पे जो प्रेशर है, दैट मींस इंटायर पॉपुलेशन का जो प्रेशर है एग्रीकल्चर पे, उस प्रेशर को मिनिमाइज करना पड़ेगा। उस प्रेशर को मिनिमाइज करने के लिए क्या करेंगे हम, वी हैव टू फाइंड द सब्स्टिट्यूट या फिर अदर थिंग्स दैट कैन बी टेकन एज अ फूड। एज वी नो दैट कि टोटल इंटायर एरिया का सपोज दैट 33 लाख किलोमीटर, द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ इंडिया, दैट मींस इंडिया द टोटल सरफेस एरिया को 33 लाख स्क्वायर वर्ग किलोमीटर। दैट मींस टोटल एरिया का 33%, टोटल एरिया का 33% जो है वो फॉरेस्ट होना चाहिए एज पर द रिकॉर्ड। इससे क्या होगा कि मेरा जो एटमॉस्फेयर, दैट मींस जो मेरा एनवायरनमेंट है वो क्या रहेगा, बैलेंस रहेगा, वो क्या रहेगा, बैलेंस रहेगा। दैट मींस बैलेंस रहेगा। एज वी नो दैट कि पॉपुलेशन जैसे इंक्रीज करेगा, जैसे जैसे पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज करेगा, सारा का सारा प्रेशर जाएगा मेरा एग्रीकल्चर पे। दैट मींस जैसे जैसे पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज करेगा, पूरा का पूरा प्रेशर किस पे जाएगा, एग्रीकल्चर पे जाएगा। बिकॉज एग्रीकल्चर बेसिक थिंग्स, दैट मींस खेती बाड़ी या फिर एग्रीकल्चर की बेसिक फंडामेंटल थिंग्स है जो मेरा क्या करता है, रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल करता है, चाहे वो एज अ क्लोथ, एज अ फूड, एज अ अदर थिंग्स हो। तो टोटल इस प्रेशर को रिड्यूस करने के लिए वी हैव टू चूज समथिंग डिफरेंट। सपोज दैट कि वी कैन मेंशन सम अदर थिंग्स इन एग्रीकल्चर, सपोज को जैसे फिशिकल्चर, दैट मींस फिशिकल्चर एंड दैट मींस सब्स्टिट्यूट आपको करना पड़ेगा। जैसे मछली पालन हो गया या फिर डेयरी हो गया, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, मतलब वो सारी चीजें जो एज अ फूड, एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स यूज कर सकता है, उन सारी चीजों पे फोकस करना पड़ेगा। या फिर इसको जो मेरा फूड रिसोर्सेज है उसको इंप्रूव करना पड़ेगा, दैट मींस उसको चेंज करना पड़ेगा, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ डेवलपमेंट लाना पड़ेगा। उससे क्या होगा, मेरा एग्रीकल्चर प्रेशर रिड्यूस होगा। तो चेंजिंग, डेवलपमेंट, इंप्रूवमेंट, दैट मींस चेंजिंग और डेवलपमेंट और सब्स्टिट्यूट। Food resources, that means if foods comes from all these things, that means food resources, that means foods जहां से हम गैदर करते हैं, food resources that means grains, that means crops, basically food कहां से आता है, crop से आता है, vegetable से आता है, इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा हमको, कुछ ना कुछ इसमें चेंजेस। As we know that in ancient time, that means thousands year ago, नहीं, basically all the human beings, they live in a forest. They lived in a forest. In that time, they basically used all these things as a food, like that. कि early human beings start hunting the animals, that means, and collecting fruits and all these things from the forest. That means because they live in the forest, or they were collecting all these things from the forest, that means hunting animals, that means animals collecting fruits, roots and all these things. They were collecting as a food. They were collecting as a food. As we know that all the living organisms, as we know that all the living organisms essentially require food. Essentially require food. That means food is the basic things. Food is the basic things of the all living things. It doesn't matter they are animals, insects, green plants, human beings and other organisms or species. They have to take food. They have to take food. Second thing is that why food is essential for us. That means कि food जो है, that means ये जो food है कि why it is important for all the living things. That means कि why it is important, why it is essential for us या फिर for all the living things. That means why food is essential for us. That means questions may be clear that why food is essential for us या फिर why food is necessary for all the living organisms. The answer is that food is required for growth, development and body repair. So basically what are the use of food in our body? First is that food is required for growth, development and body repair. First use is that food is required growth. That means growth, increasing your height. That means your body language, development your skills. That means skills development. That means mental. The changing of weight, mental power. That means all these things and repair. That means repair. That means suppose that कि कभी बचपन में तुम्हारा उंगली वगैरह कट जाता था. Suppose that कि बचपन में क्या होता कभी किसी चीज से खरोच लग जाए या फिर स्क्रैच लग जाए या फिर कट जाने से क्या होता था कि वो अपने आप क्लियर हो जाता है. That means कि बॉडी हमारा क्या करता है, हमारा बॉडी के पास एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी होता है, इसको लोग इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम बोलते हैं. या मे बी वो क्या करता है कुछ चीजों से खुद पे खुद डिफेंड कर सकता है, मींस रिपेयर, बॉडी रिपेयर. दैट मींस इसको अगर बैलेंस, दैट मींस इसकी लैंग्वेज में बोलेंगे तो ये क्या करता है कि दैट इज हेल्प अस टू रिपेयर द डेड सेल्स. दैट मींस डेड सेल्स ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. सेकंड थिंग इज दैट इट आल्सो प्रोटेक्ट्स द बॉडी फ्रॉम डिजीजेस एंड प्रोवाइड्स एनर्जी. ये क्या करता है, फूड्स क्या करता है, हमें एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है फॉर लर्निंग. दैट मींस ये एनर्जी क्या करता है, फाइट्स विद द डिजीजेस and provides energy for doing all life functions. That means कि life में जो भी functions है, that means all the activities को perform करने के लिए आपको energy चाहिए और ये energy कौन provide करता है, foods. और ये foods हमको कहाँ से मिलेगा, आता है crops. That means grains. So food is necessary for those things. First thing is that food is required for growth, development and body repair. Second thing is that it also protects the body from diseases and provides the energy for doing all the life functions, all the life. Second thing is that what kinds of nutrients, that means what are the nutrients we take from the food. That means जैसे कि जिसको हम as a food consume करते हैं, मतलब all these things those are consumed as a food by the human beings या फिर by the all the living things. Actually क्या होता है कि they provide some nutrients. That means जिसको अपनी भाषा में बोल सकते हैं पोषक तत्व, nutrients. That means पोषक तत्व. So basically food supplies. That can be the answer. Maybe this is the answer. कि food supplies some important nutrients that is important for us. That means we are taking as a food, but nutrients we are taking as a nutrients in the form of food. तो बेसिकली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, न्यूट्रिएंट्स को कंज्यूम करते हैं फूड एज अ फूड के माध्यम से. क्या करते हैं हम लोग, बेसिकली न्यूट्रिएंट्स को कंज्यूम करते हैं. तो व्हाट आर द न्यूट्रिएंट्स व्हिच इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर बॉडी एंड व्हिच इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज दैट basically 6 nutrients होता है. There are 6 nutrients that is important for the human beings and all the living things. First of is that carbohydrates. First is that carbohydrate. Second is that carbohydrate. Second is that first of carbohydrate. Second is that proteins. Second is that protein. Third one is that fats. Fourth one is that third fats. Fats also known as lipids. L-I-P-I-D-S. Lipids. Fourth one is that vitamins. V-I-T-A-M-I and vitamins. And fifth one is that minerals and water. These are the basic essential nutrients for the human beings. All the living things. That means these are the basic or fundamental nutrients. As a human beings taking from other kinds of foods. That means all the living things. That means as the human beings, as the animals taking all the nutrients from the food, from the different kinds of food. Now we will write some basic notes. Among all the living organisms, only green plants are autotrophs. Basically, there are two modes of nutrition. One is autotrophs, one is autotrophs, and second one is heterotrophs. So autotrophs, so all the living organisms, that means human beings, animals, birds, insects, green plants. Among all, only the green plants. Only green plant is the autotrophs. That means the green plants. Only the green plants. They make their own food. That means if only the green plants, they make their own foods. And except all the living organisms, they are heterotrophs. That means they cannot make their own food. Except green plants, all the living organisms. That means human beings, animals, birds, insects. All those living organisms is heterotrophs mode of nutrition, because they cannot make their own food. They are heterotrophs, but only green plants is autotrophs. Among all the living organisms, only green plants are autotrophs. So autotrophs, that means all the living kinds of living organisms. Autotrophs, that means that kinds of living organisms, they can be able to make their own food. Autotrophs. Autotrophs, that means they make their own food. They can make their own food. The metabolic activity. Third one is that the metabolic activity performed by the green plants. The metabolic activity performed by the green plants is called photosynthesis. The metabolic activity performed by the green plants is called photosynthesis. The question may be arise there. So what is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis, or define photosynthesis? Define photosynthesis, or what is photosynthesis? The question is that define photosynthesis. Define photosynthesis, or what is photosynthesis? So question is that define photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Question is that define photosynthesis, or what is photosynthesis? So we can write that the metabolic activity performed by the green plant. The metabolic activity performed by the green plant is called photosynthesis. You can write the answer this way. And second, similarly, photosynthesis is a process in which the green plants make their own food in the presence of carbon dioxide carbon dioxide, that means CO2, water, that means H2O, and sunlight. And sunlight. The photosynthesis is a process in which the green plants making their own food in the presence of carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. This is the photosynthesis. It is so called photosynthesis. तो फोटोसिंथेसिस समझ गए? फोटोसिंथेसिस क्या है? प्रोसेस है। ये क्या है? प्रोसेस है जिसमें क्या करता है, ग्रीन प्लांट्स अपना भोजन खुद प्रिपेयर करता है। ग्रीन प्लांट्स अपना भोजन खुद प्रिपेयर करता है, मेक या प्रिपेयर, दैट मींस सेवली। सेकंड प्रोसेस इज दैट एक्सेप्ट ग्रीन प्लांट्स all the living organisms except the green plants, all the living organisms are heterotrophous. Heterotrophous. Except I told you except green plants, all the living organisms, मतलब all the living organisms are heterotrophous. That means they have heterotrophous mode of nutrition. That means in that process, in that method, in that modes as a process, as a method, in that modes, in that process, they cannot make their own food. In this mode or process, they cannot make their own food. In this process, in this mode, they cannot make their own food. The heterotrophous, all the living things that cannot make their own food. They have heterotrophous mode of nutrition. That means they, अगर वो अपना भोजन नहीं बना सकता, that means they could not able to make their own food, then how they are taking food, वो food कैसे खा ले रहे हैं, that means वो food कैसे ग्रहण कर रहे हैं, that means क्यों, how, that means heterotrophous, they depends on the green plants, they depends on green plants, and other animals for food, and other animals for food. That means they completely depends on some other one. नहीं, as a human beings example, human H-U-M-A-N, human beings, B-E-I-N-G-S, beings, animals, birds, DS word is easy. These are the heterotrophous. Why? Because they cannot able to make their own food. These are the basic things. These are the basic points from the topic that means improvements of food resources. The rest of the topics and rest of the points I will discuss in our next class. And before that, you should write all these points and remember all these points. That means after 2 class, that means if first class is today, that means second class 3 class. That means after 1 week, that means 1 week एक सप्ताह में 3 classes होगा. That means within 1 week 3 class. after 3 class we organize an exam, that means MCQ based questions. एग्जाम किस बेस्ड होगा? MCQ based होगा, MCQ based, that means I will give you 20 questions completely MCQ type. You have to answer only tick. You have to choose the right option. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.